Okay, to operate this system, we're going to select the source. So we will go PC. The display will tell you to please wait. Monitors will come on, and when it's ready, you will have the option to have the side TVs on or the side TVs off. Right now the side TVs are on. Okay. And if you have the advanced mode here, you can select and you could see PC1 is on display 1, 3, 4, and 5. If you want to display 6 on, you can turn display 6 on. Display 6 is your confidence monitor. Or you can turn it off. Okay. Now I go back to home. I do guest laptop. The guest laptop is the HDMI cable that's plugged into the podium. The guest will have to plug their HDMI cable into their laptop. Okay, so then you can have the side TVs on as well, and then TV number 1 you can have different options as well at the same time as the guest laptop. So if the presenter has a PowerPoint on his laptop, or he has he wants to go on the internet on here, or vice versa, he could do anything over on the other TV at the same time. There's all these options over here for both TVs. Okay, go back to home, Mac, and the Mac sits in the rack. Keyboard and mouse are on the lectern, and once it comes up, the Mac will be on the TVs that are shown. You have side TVs are on, side TVs are off. Go to the advanced, we hit Mac, and we can see that it's on TV 1, 3, 4, and 5 right now. Okay, go home. Document camera. Document camera is also the HDMI cable that is on the lectern. So that will have to be plugged in manually when you select document camera. Same thing here. You have document camera on TV 2, and then TV 1 you can have any other source if you want to put up on the other TV. So if you want to put the Macintosh up on one, if somebody has something on their Mac they want to see, that turns on TV 1, and the Macintosh you will be seeing on that TV. Okay. And the document camera, you can see, hit document camera, and you can see document cameras on TV 2, 3, 4, 5. Display 1 has the Mac 1 on it right now, which we selected. Okay. So now we're going to go to the visualizer. And once visualizer starts up, you will see that on the TV. And you have focus in out, iris in out, light on off, zoom up and down, power on off, just in case. And then here you could see what TVs it's on. The visualizer is on TV 1, 3, 4, and 5 right now. Okay, let's go home. And then you have Blu-ray. Blu-ray comes on TV number 2. You have the same option, side TVs on, side TVs off. These colored buttons will sometimes correlate with the movie disc, with menus. More often Disney movies have these certain features on the menus, so that's the only time you would use those. Top menu is when the disc is playing already. Subtitles, audio, you know, rewind, fast forward, play, pause, stop, fast forward, chapter advance. And you could see right here, we hit Blu-ray. The Blu-ray is only on display number 2. and the speakers are on. Okay, and then if you have any, go back to home, we have the Blu-ray, back to Blu-ray. You have the volume bar too here for the Blu-ray, which you tap the little speaker down, speaker up, or you could slide it, lift and slide, mute, unmute, go home. You have recording. To start a recording, you must insert a USB media device into the Extron USB slot. Press start recording, and it automatically will start recording to that USB stick. When you're done with recording, you press stop recording, and it will write to the USB drive. And then here you have what's being recorded, and you have picture in picture. It gives you different options. Okay, you have your cameras, which you can control the cameras. Presenter camera is the one in the back of the room. Audience camera is in the front of the room. Move it up, down, side, side, zoom in, zoom out, close that. Recording. Yep. The hall display TV is there. There's the volume control for the hall display. That comes on a timer every day. The Brios, you know, we don't want that. We want hall signage for that, but you can send any source to the hall. So as long as you're on the hall display. Okay, if you're in advance, Brio 1, you can send Brio 1 to display 1, turn it on, send it to Brio 1, was there. Same thing, Brio 2 can go to Brio, Brio 3 can display 3, Brio 4 there, so on and so forth. And you have source control, follow the on-screen directions for your Brios. Home. And once you're done for the day, just press room off. Shut down now. It shuts down everything, but this still has a timer that will count down. And now the system is off, and you can go home.